Hey guys, and welcome to my 101 tips for the private car auction buyer. And today I'm down at BCA Bedford and I'm going to give you a tip, and it's something that you look at all day, every day when driving your car, but when buying a car from auction is often overlooked, and that's the condition of your windscreen. Make sure you're looking for cracks and chips in that screen, because these can be expensive to repair or replace. If you can repair them, absolutely fantastic, but often they do need replacing. So always make sure you have a number for National Windscreens or Autoglass or someone, so you can get a price on the cost of replacement screen. And here's what to look for. As you can see from this screen, if I go forward, there's a good windscreen chip there. There you go. And actually, it's that bad, it's turned into a bit of a crack, so you're going to need a new screen on this. And then from the eye line, as I look up, there's another one up here as well, and that's from the inside of the car. And when we come around to the front, we can see that crack again, and it is really quite bad. It has turned into a crack, so that screen's going to need replacing. And there's the other chip up here, and you also want to check all around the outside just to make sure there's no cracks starting in the actual screen itself. What you now need to do is get the cost of one of these screens prior to bidding and factor that into your max bid. And remember, if you're enjoying these videos, please do subscribe, click the like button, and why not leave me a comment below. Thanks.